In this video, we're going to look at multi-unit U.S. conversions. The following examples illustrate additional basic conversions within the U.S. system. A modified form of the conversion process will be used for these problems. So let's look at the first question. We're asked to write 26 inches in feet and inches. Okay. So the idea here is 26 inches is greater than 12, so it's more than a foot. So let's just write a little sketch of how we might want to do this. So if we label this in inches, and this is 26 inches, and 1 foot equals 12 inches, we have 12 inches for 1 foot, and 24 inches for 2 feet. So this would be 1 foot, 2 feet, and notice there are 2 inches left over. Okay? So sometimes it's helpful, rather than to say 26 inches, to write this as many feet that will go into 26 inches, and then write the remaining inches as our remainder. Okay? So this is going to be just like how we did division with remainders. So we're going to start with 26 inches, and now we're going to multiply by 1 foot over 12 inches. Okay. The inches will cancel, and notice this is 26 over 12 feet. But now instead of writing this as a decimal, we're going to do the division of 26 divided by 12. So 26 divided by 12. And we see that it goes in 2 times and a decimal. So 2 is the most number of feet that there are in 26 inches, the most number of whole feet. Okay, now notice this isn't 0.16 inches. This value is completely written in feet. So we want to write it in feet and inches, so we're just going to use the 2. So this equals 2 feet. Okay, now to find the remainder, we're going to find 2 times 12, which is 24 inches. So 2 feet equals 24 inches. Notice how this is corresponding to our work on the number line, which means there was 2 inches left over. So the difference between 26 and 24 is 2 inches. So we have 2 feet and 2 inches. Let's look at the next one. Here we're given 5 pounds 6 ounces, and we want to write this completely just in ounces. Okay. So this is sort of working in the other direction. Okay. So we know that 1 pound equals 16 ounces. So we're going to take our 5 pounds and see what it is equal to in ounces. So I put the 1 pound on the bottom, 16 ounces on top. Notice the pounds cancel, so I set up my conversion correctly. And 5 times 16 equals 80. So 5 pounds is 80 ounces, but we had 5 pounds 6 ounces, which is 5 pounds plus 6 ounces. So 5 pounds 6 ounces equals 80 ounces for the 5 pounds plus the 6 ounces that we already had, which is a total of 86 ounces. Let's look at the next one. Here we're given 30 months, and we want to write this in months and years. Okay. So we're going to start by taking the 30 months. So since there's 12 months in a year, we're going to see the most whole years that are in 30 months. Oops, excuse me. This is 12 months in 1 year. Notice that the months cancel, and this is equal to 30 over 12 years. So we're going to divide the 30 by 12. Okay, and we have 2.5. So this means 2.5 years. This is not 2 years and 5 months. Okay, so we'll just start with the 2 years. You may know that half a year is 6 months, but let's work this another way for when we get problems that aren't as easy. So this is 2 years. And now we know that 2 times 12, so I'm using the 2 times the number of months, so there's 24 months in 2 years. So 2 years equals 24 months. So changing 30 months to years and months, so far we have 2 years. Now the difference between 30 months and 24 months is 6 months. So 30 months equals 2 years and 6 months. Okay. Again, the idea is you switch months to years, you find the whole amount of times it goes in, which would be 2 years, and then you write the remainder in terms of the original measurement, which in this case was months. Now let's look at the last one. We want to write 1 minute, 20 seconds in seconds. So here we're given 2 units, a multi-unit, and we want to write it as a single unit. I think these ones are a little bit easier. So first we'll change, just like here we change pounds to ounces. Since we want seconds, we're going to change 1 minute to seconds. And this is easy because we know 1 minute equals 60 seconds. So we don't even need to multiply. So that means 1 minute, 20 seconds equals, well, 1 minute is 60 seconds plus the 20 seconds equals a total of 80 seconds.